Guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I just filmed a video before this, so I'm in the same outfit, but let's do this. Okay. Oh, hold on. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, somebody commented in a recent video and said you should introduce yourself in every video because, I don't know, I guess like I act like in my videos, I act like you guys all know who I am and you guys are like returning viewers. So yeah, maybe I'll start introducing myself. Hi, I'm Vanessa, also known as Vad is Rad, or Keeping It Rad on Poshmark. I make videos about reselling. I make beauty videos. There's my little intro. Should I do that in every video? Maybe I should. Anyway, this video is a reselling Q&A where you guys ask me questions and I try to answer them to the best of my ability, knowledge, wisdom. It says, hi, I have a question. I don't know who else to ask, but I keep getting an error message when listing. Poshmark won't let me list new items anymore. I'm able to still make sales and share my closet, but nothing else. After doing some research, I kept reading something about having multiple accounts will get you banned or put in posh jail, lol, and I truly had no idea. I made a new account to help my mom sell some stuff. Her items didn't go with the theme of my closet, which is why I made a new one. So I would always log in and out of my device, and now I'm not able to list anything new on both closets. Reached out to support, and it's going on 2 weeks without a response. Help me get out of jail, lol. Do you know anything I can do? Please, I know you're so busy, but I would really appreciate any help or information on this. Thank you so much. Yeah, it does sound like you're in Poshmark jail. Poshmark does allow you to have 2 closets. You just have to ask them first. You have to get like written permission from them. So I would just keep bugging them, just keep reaching out to them and being like, hey, you know, what's going on? How long has it been since you've tried to list? Because usually when you're in Poshmark jail, it's like 24 hours, but I don't know if it's been longer than that. They might have like taken those privileges away from both accounts, like permanently. So yeah, I try reaching out to them and just kind of bug them. I don't really know what else you can do. Try to talk to them on like Twitter or Instagram and see if that helps. But other than that, you just kind of have to wait to hear back from them. And I agree, it's frustrating that it's taken them so long. I don't know. I feel like with their customer service, they're either like spot on, like they reply really quickly, or it takes them forever, unfortunately. So good luck. Okay, next question. Hi, Vanessa. I just love your YouTube videos. Thank you. I'm a newbie here. I resell mostly handbags. It started out as just a hobby. My question is, the money I have earned this year, do I have to pay taxes on? Like, do I have to tell my tax person how much I made from Posh? Sorry if this is a dumb question. The Hubs doesn't want me doing something illegal, lol. It's not a dumb question. A lot of people don't know, but any income that you have earned, you have to report to the government. I don't like giving out tax advice because I'm not like 100% certain on it, but I do know any income that you make, you have to report to the government. So yeah, I don't really want to give out advice, but definitely talk to your tax person and they'll be able to tell you more. Next question. When you ship an item after they tell you to cancel the order, do they open a case? I'm just curious. I'm trying to think. I have like 3 open cases right now, guys, like not gonna lie, being real. But they weren't because the people asked to cancel and I didn't cancel. I don't think I've ever had someone open a case because they wanted to cancel and I didn't. But people definitely could do that. And I don't know what Poshmark would say. They'd probably refund the buyer and release the earnings to the seller too, just to play like a middle ground. But yeah, I do have 3 open cases right now, which is great. One of them, I definitely sent the wrong item, which was my bad. Another one is a case of fit. Didn't we just talk about this? Or was I going to talk about this in a video? Like if you provide measurements in your listing. I'm gonna talk about this in another video because this could go on and on. All right, next question. My issue is I'm getting a ton of likes. I sent an offer and nothing. Someone even declined. I haven't been able to sell anything since October 16th. I've tried free shipping, even 50% off Black Friday, and nada. I like that one of you guys replied to her. One of you guys said, sorry to hear you're having a tough time getting sales. Not sure how many items you have for sale, but I sell on Poshmark and had to have a base of several hundred items listed in my closet, share daily, and consistently list new items at least weekly, if not daily, to get steady sales on Poshmark. Hope that helps. So that's good advice too. Also, take a look at what you have in your closet, because if it's not something that's like in demand or desirable, that could be a reason why it's not selling. And by in demand, I don't really mean like super popular things. I don't know. I feel like more plain things won't sell. There definitely could be a number of reasons. Without looking at your closet, I really can't tell you exactly. But I guess just kind of take those into consideration and try to figure it out and see which one it is. You know, maybe, well, no, you said you had 50% off, so might not be your price. It might be the items that you're selling. And I don't mean that like in a mean way. If they're less desirable brands or items, and they definitely will take longer to sell. But yeah, again, without looking at your closet, I can't tell you exactly why. Next question. Hi there. Can you talk a little bit about the new feature on Posh under My Shoppers, adding links to bundles send offer to bundle, and send comment to bundle. I can't grasp for the life of me what these features do. Can you please help me understand? So Melissa, I actually have a whole video talking about this. So I will link that down below. But in short, it is a feature that you want to learn and use often, because I had great success with it. And after I made that video, I had so many of you guys message me and tell me that you had great success with it too. So again, I will link that video down below. Last question. I'm having issues with Posh purchases of items that may have flaws, but they have been pictured with a big red circle around the flaw, and it is also noted in the description. Buyers are making purchases without looking at pictures or description. Then they receive it and open a case. Posh always refunds the buyer. Is this normal for Posh? So yes, it's normal for people to not really look at the pictures and not read the description, and then, you know, come to find out if there's like a flaw on it, they get mad and they open up a case. I don't really think it's normal for Posh to always side with the buyer, especially if you have the flaw like circled in a picture and noted in the description. From my experience, they've never sided with the buyer because of that. So I wouldn't say that that aspect of it is normal, but yes, it definitely is normal to have people just buy things and not realize that something's wrong with it. It's frustrating, I know. Have you had this happen to you personally, or have you heard of it happening? Because like I said, I've had people open up cases and they've been like, oh, well, there's a stain on this. And I'm like, oh, well, I said it in the description and it was in the pictures. And Poshmark was like, yeah, it was noted. So they released my earnings to me, and the buyer, you know, paid for the shirt and kept the shirt. Definitely don't think it's normal for them to side with the buyer if something is like blatant like that, you know? So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.